So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to solve another problem using pandas as always. So let's see what we are dealing with today. And the problem is we have to find the consecutive number which is present more than 3 times or at least 3 times. Okay, like see, suppose 1 2 3, here 1 is present 3 times consecutively, so we have to return this result. Even 2 here present consecutively, but it is not at least 3 times. So if it is present at least 3 times, we have to return that. So I have a simple logic here, like we are going to use one of the window functions in pandas, which is rolling median, mean and max. So whichever value is present 3 times, then it will have say median, mean and max. Okay, so we are going to use that one. And so I have already written the code, and let's see. So first we are going to, for understanding purpose, okay, we are going to create one column for median and another two columns for mean and max. Nothing complicated here, so I think you will understand this one. So rolling basically what it does, it takes one number, two or three, and it takes those values into account and getting the value desired output. So I am taking number here. Number means this column. So rolling 3 means it will take first 3 value, and if you are getting the median, it will get the median like the 1. Then it will again take the next 3 value, it will get the median. Then it will take the next 3 value, it will get the median. So like that it will work, and same with mean and same with max. Okay. So next is our result, and what we will do, we will return this one. Okay, so what we are writing the logic here, we need to return where median equal to minimum and median equal to maximum. Okay, so let's run this one. What we are getting, we'll see here. So we are getting one output where median, minimum and maximum is here same, that is this one value, correct. We are not getting anything else. So next we are going to rename this column name, as we need that number column. So we'll rename this num column as consecutive numbers, as we need the expected output as this column name, and we are mentioning axis equal to 1. We are taking this renamed column as a data frame. If you are mentioning within double square brackets, then it will return as a data frame. And we are dropping the duplicates, means if it is present more than 1 times the same value, it will drop the duplicates, as it is not accepting duplicate value. One consecutive number should present single times only, not more than 1 time. Okay, so we'll see. And the case is accepted. Okay, so for ease of reading purpose, I will break this code into another line. Okay, so let's do this. Logs equals, then we are returning the same logs dot rename. Okay, so let's submit this one, and our answer is submitted. We are in the middle of the ocean. So if you have a better solution, please mention in the comments. Subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed yet, or you are new to this channel. We are solving problems where you can learn something about pandas and its use cases. And if you encounter some problem like that, you can solve easily by using the logics. Okay, no problem is same every time, but the logic is same everywhere. Okay, So this is our problem today, and we solved it using these things. You can directly write in conditions also, but for understanding purpose you made like this. So that's it. Please subscribe if you are not subscribed, like this video, and if you have learned something and you have a better solution than this, please mention it in comments so that others can learn from it and it will be better for everyone. So thank you everyone for watching. Till then, practice.